Let me start and let's start covering everything one by one. These are our topics. Okay, you can see the screen, right? The screen is clear.
Good evening, sir. Rajesh here.
Okay. Screen दिख रहा है ना? Screen is clear ना? Clearly visible.
Yes.
Good evening,
Yes.
Vaibhav, you are in our option group, right? I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Regarding the market view, okay, I was just watching deal before conducting this thing. I think you are already aware of the recent event in between Invesco and Deal. Now both are, fighting legally. Invesco is trying to take over. I think you are already aware of this thing. Okay. So basically, Invesco is the largest investor, obviously, in Deal pie chart, Jill's investment pie chart. So there is a good chance if there will be a strong legal fight in between Invesco and Jill, and that is the only reason. But the founder of Jill and the board is not ready to conduct the EGM. Okay, so if anyone is in Jill, my personal suggestion is too simple. If you are in profit, book the profit, but try not to invest or not to carry this script which is currently in news, to avoid any kind of those lower circuits and all, because there is a serious event going to happen in this script. Because anytime everything is okay quarterly, if any stock is doing bad, that is also okay. But the problem is, if something goes into legality, then there is a good chance the stock will give you great pain. Okay. Market view is very simple for now. Market view is like, market is highly volatile, as you already know. Everyone knows already. Market, not only Indian market, but also US market. The candles are now big. Okay, the participation of retail traders is almost 35% down in comparison to previous year. So obviously, more than 65% are only the big players, and big retail players who are participating in bulk trades and block trades to manipulate the market. Now the point is, if we will, the first point was like market view. Okay, so in case of Nifty, in Nifty, what is happening? Let me minimize this thing. Okay. You see, here you can see three things. Okay, today, as I have already told, this is only for learning purpose, and from last several, I think the live session was we conducted after around 7 to 10 days. Nah? It was a long days, around a good gap. This is the first time when market made a descending channel. So it is very easy to predict that market is going to, if market have to fall, the market. Here there is a point of learning. When market will go upside, market will struggle and go upside like this, okay, making retracement. It goes up. But when market used to fall like, market don't retrace much. Remember this thing, especially the FNO and the index things. When they have to fall, they usually fall like easily. They don't retrace much. Okay, that is why usually the FNO players, the traders who are usually playing in future and option, they prefer bearish market. The reason is supports are broken very easily in comparison to resistance. This is a very good point which you can note. It is a very important point. That is the only reason why FNO players love bearish market. Okay, so this is one situation where market was making a descending triangle, sorry, a descending channel with lower highs and lower lows. But you cannot see, because if market have to be bearish, there is a good chance that market should come here, right? But no, market did not do like that. Market did not behave like that. Market made a simple descending channel consolidate here. Usually, if market have to go up, it will consolidate at upper side of the descending channel. If market have to come down, it will consolidate at the lower side. This is a psychological. Smith Patel, Ram, Smith ji. Okay. Congratulations, Smith ji. Your Lakshmi Chemical, I think, made a lower circuit today. Okay. So after which it gives the breakout and it moves after retesting the resistance of the descending channel. It moves up. So this is, this thing is easy to predict. Descending channel thing. Now it made a parallel channel. This is the descending channel. Now here is a parallel channel, right? In parallel channel, it is actually difficult to predict. The reason is there is a good space. Here is a good space. So it can fall, right? After which again a breakout. There is no accumulation. Nothing is there. Even no volume addition. Accumulation and volume addition are very important factors before giving the breakout at any side. Nothing happened here. Just a simple. थोड़ा सा म्यूट कर लो वैभव भी, शायद आपका इसका चल रहा है।
वोडाफोन वाला कुत्ता आ गया है।
Okay. Now it goes up. Now the point is here. You can see a head and shoulder kind, a diagonal head and shoulder. You can say, okay, diagonal head and shoulder is there with a rising wedge. Diagonal head and shoulder with a rising wedge. The space is here. Support is here, which is clearly now visible as of now. Okay, here is the support. If it will come down, this is going to give the first immediate support, and second immediate support. If it will continue falling, then this is 17,300. But if it will continue further, then there is a good space here. This is also fact. This is the observation for now. But now the chances are, if it have to take support, it will take support immediately and bounce back immediately. This is not actually a straight away head and shoulder. The reason is the right shoulder is above the left shoulder, and you already know that in a straightforward head and shoulder pattern, the right shoulder is always lower than the left shoulder. But this is a diagonal head and shoulder, so things are a bit confusing. So this is a still I'm bullish. For now I'm still bullish. Till this support is not breached, I'm still bullish. Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, I think you already aware of the latest news. The Moody's have, at least they have informed, they have confirmed of around 6 banks from negative to stable, including Axis Bank. Bank Nifty is making a clear-cut support here, clear-cut support, right? The challenge for Bank Nifty is it is already in support, and tomorrow is weekly expiry. So if Bank Nifty have to bounce, Bank Nifty have to bounce tomorrow. If Bank Nifty have to bounce, then Bank Nifty have to bounce tomorrow itself. Otherwise, if it will continue fall and the immediate support is already, the candle is itself in that immediate support right now. So if it will breach, then it is very easy to come down to this level very easily. And after which this level is going to act as a support, that is 36,380 to 36,480. So tomorrow is going to be very vital. And to show upside move, obviously Sunny is there. This is what I call always the Sunny. So it's 50%. The 50% of the body ka jo 50% hai, it is required to be broken. Then only it will show upside movement. Otherwise, its impact its impact will remain intact. Same in Nifty also. If you will see, we also have a Sunny in Nifty. This one. You can see it is not easy actually, to break Sunny's 50% body and sustain here is not easy for any candle, not only in index but also in stocks. It is not easy. That is why Nifty did not sustain here. It is not easy to sustain here. In first attempt. That is why we got a very easy selling pressure here, obviously, and it come down. So tomorrow is obviously a clear-cut fight between bulls and bear. Market is in support, especially Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is straight on its support right now. Okay. Tomorrow is going to be very important actually. Mid cap continuing a very, but yes, one thing is there in mid cap during its quarterly result thing, it gives a very straight upside movement. Now it is making big candles, right? Big candles, but the journey is seen still towards the upside movement. So obviously its support is like this. Today actually we got a bearish engulfing, we can say, right? Bearish engulfing, I think you already know, but as the trend is highly positive, so it is not guaranteed that this bearish engulfing is going to give a serious impact, right? Here we see the two times. First time a bearish engulfing, again a bearish engulfing, but what happened? It is maintaining still bullishness and upside movement. The reason is due to the strength in its trend. In small cap, if you type SMLCAP, you can see small cap is looking actually very good for now, to be honest, because it is for now it is predictable. It gives a hammer here. This is the breakout. Tested it. Now this is going to be the support. So there is a good chance from here it should give a good bounce. So as of now, small cap is much more strengthier than Nifty and Bank Nifty. The reason is, the international events, whatever events are going on, they don't have significant impact on your mid caps and small caps. That is one important thing actually. Okay, so that thing to be noted actually. Deal thing I have covered, market view I have covered. So for now, buy on dips. Don't short anything without any significant reason. At least you need 2 to 3 significant strong reasons before sorting any position, or before booking any losses, or before exiting from any position. So I don't think now we have sufficient reason, or neither the market have created any significant pattern, a strong pattern which is indicating bearish side. In fact, today we have around 2 to 3 good news on Bank Nifty. So a few banks, right? So have to be careful. Intraday basis we can do. Intraday basis, like today we sell that thing. What is that? Escorts. This is Escorts, right? Getting a pressure from here. This is a small head and shoulder pattern. Also in a larger time frame, also you can see a head and shoulder pattern. So it is in support. There is a space here, good space. So if it will break Then our entry was here actually, because I can see the market was almost about to over and we have a good space here. So it is quite predictable कि it can hit the support, after which it may bounce or break. That is a separate thing, but at least we have a space. This space is important to book profit. Okay, so we get the profit. So now if it will break, it have a good space till this. If have to bounce, then have to bounce tomorrow itself, because it is sharply on its support. Trend is positive, by the way. So these are the market views. Okay, so don't predict anything like
बहुत मस्त आता है यार। देख अपना हो गया बैट, बैग आ गया, आ गया।
like I have already told ki, don't predict anything very immediately. Like 400 points down and 400 points up are very common nowadays in US market also. So have to trade very carefully. Second thing is about option scalping technique. Before, as we are talking about the current trade, so better I should jump to this one first. One simple swing strategy. Tata Consumer was the fresh example. So I'm just going to Tata Consumer so that I can tell you what exactly how we entered and how we analyzed and what we did about the technical setup. Tata Consumer. Okay. Daily view. Okay. As I've already told, if you are working in FNO or whatever, first you need to check in daily view. It is very important. The trend is positive. That's good. Second, it was falling, right? When even we entered, it was falling. The whole point is, now if I will go to 15-minute chart, because to enter the position, we need a smaller time frame. To analyze any chart, we need a bigger time frame, right? So first we analyzed, okay, it is in uptrend. Now you can see here. This is known as master pattern 1. Very important pattern, very easy to understand, very easy to predict, and very easy to, you can very easily you can actually make profit out of it. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Immediately it stopped making lower high, lower low. Immediately it stopped making lower high, lower low. In this situation, what happened actually? It may create a double bottom, it may not create a double bottom. Okay, it may create a master rejection. That last time we have already discussed. But the whole point to understand is, once any stock in an uptrend at the top level, if it is making higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and immediately stop making higher high, higher lows, then there is a good chance the previous steps will work as a resistance. So यहाँ से एक अच्छा खासा short covering you can expect. A good short covering you can expect, at least for first or second steps you can expect. That is exactly what happened in Tata Consumer. In fact, many members, especially the new members, were confused. Why I provided option call and future call in this falling situation, right? It immediately stopped making lower highs and lower lows. It made a double bottom and tested this level very easily, right? This is a good pattern if you will try to observe the market, and this is, I think, this is, I believe, a very simple pattern, okay, and a very good swing pattern if you try to observe the market properly. So I believe this is very simple thing that you can understand. And especially those VSTs, you understand, no? Very short-term trades like PBR, Tata Consumer also I was provided last time in free groups also I provided Tata Consumer. Before that I provided which one? PBR also I provided, and Aarti Industries also provided. I think you all have understand this pattern. On this pattern, if you have any doubt, please you can ask me right now so that I could answer. Very simple pattern. Have to check first in daily what is the trend. Now go to a 15-minute or 30-minute or 5-minute, the lower time frame. Now check if क्या पीवीआर है या आप मेरे को पहले से क्लियर कर दिया है स्मिथ जी. डोंट आस्क एनीथिंग अबाउट योर पोजीशन. पीवीआर में हो तो हो, आपको निकलना है तो निकल लो भाई. दिस इज important. Okay. PVR में ज्यादा टाइम मत रुको भाई. PVR is not a multi-bagger. If you are in profit, you can hold for some more time, but there is no meaning of holding it like anything. You know, this is not like that. PVR is not a multi-bagger. Aarti Industries. The best bet. And you need to understand why these things are very important. You know, I think I have already discussed about this pattern already. This one in our last video. Same thing. That was in HAL, that was in PVR, that was in BST Tiller. But these patterns, you know, is a bit difficult to find. But if you can find, you can get good result. Smith ji bada. Smith ji have actually chemical factory in Gujarat. That is why he is still holding Lakshmi Chemical. I could understand your emotion, Smith ji.
Thank you.
Okay. So यहाँ पे this is the pattern I have already told. And today I just taught you about another pattern. Okay. This is pattern number 1 and that is pattern number 2. This pattern is actually, you know, very interesting pattern. I've already told in our previous session, because the breakout from this kind of pattern number 1 that we have discussed in our previous session, this one, right? Very good pattern, but a bit difficult to find. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है इस पैटर्न को फाइंड आउट करने में, लेकिन मिलता है तो छोड़ना मत, क्योंकि यहाँ से जो जब भी ब्रेकआउट होता है, whenever you will find a breakout from this kind of pattern, then obviously you are going to find a very good breakout. आप कहीं से भी देख लो, डालमिया भारत, BST टिलर, है ना, PVR का भी ले लो, हाल का भी ले लो, अभी आर्ट इंडस्ट्रीज का भी ले लो. Two important patterns I have told you, but the first one is about your swing. As our topic was about the swing thing, that is why I told you कि about अपना टॉपिक ही था ना स्विंग के ऊपर, इसीलिए. ओके. डार्क साइड ऑफ RSI मैं क्लियर कर दूं वाला भी चीज. RSI, द पॉइंट इन RSI ना, मैं आपको टाइम हो चुका है तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा जल्दी बता देता हूँ. RSI डोंट फॉलो ब्लाइंडली RSI, you know, because RSI, like if let's say for example, let's say BPL. This is the stock. Let me go to 1 day. This stock was suggested by Stockify from very below level. Okay. I don't know about any news, nothing. I don't know. Maybe there was a news or something. I don't know. See the movement and check it with RSI. Let's put it. No, it is very easy to, you know, कि मतलब कहीं पर भी कुछ दिखा देना कि ओके ये RSI के ऊपर था. ओके. इसके इतना ऊपर था, so it was overbought. In market there was nothing like overbought or oversold. These calculations are a part of the program, you know. These are programs. Programs cannot define the sentiment of the market. If the BPL have to go more 100% here, it will go. There is no chance, कि आपको वहां से मतलब ये मिलेगा. For example, the recent Nelco we have provided in both free groups and paid groups, right? If you will see in any setting of RSI or MACD or whatever you are believing, you can see. Now if I will say you if anyone, any YouTuber, anyone, I mean, I don't know, if you say no, it is going without any retracement, so this stock is not anyone's knocker ki okay I have to follow the market's rule. No, it is not mandatory for a stock to follow any market's rule. In fact, Nelco is a very good boy, because when market starts, it is just hanging up at the 5% upper circuit and going up. Nothing to do with the sentiment. So for now, Nelco is a very good boy for us. RSI to be strictly, अगर आपको RSI को actually में use करना है, if you seriously want to use RSI, then RSI can be used only to find two things. One is negative divergence. आप उसके ऊपर कहीं से भी आप you can find out you know, various good tutorials in books and YouTube. I'm just saving your time. You don't put much effort and time over RSI, please. Number one is negative divergence in RSI. How to find that one will help you definitely. Number two is finding strengthy trends. Finding strengthy trends, मतलब strengthy trends in the sense जो trendy हो, like above 55 to above 60 level. Above 60 level stocks are usually becomes trendy, जो लोगों का मानना रहता है. In that way you can follow. So first one is negative divergence, and second one is the strength in the trend. Strength in the trend. These two things only RSI will help you, as per my experience, my observation, and whatever I know. Okay. Otherwise, I have never found RSI as a useful tool apart from these 2 points. अब oversold हो गया तो भाग गया, because once these are lagging indicators, remember this. So once these charts are made, जब ये चार्ट बन जाता है, it is very easy to predict. अब देखो यहाँ पर ना ऐसा हुआ था, यहाँ पर ऐसे ये oversold हो गया था, so यहाँ से ये ऊपर भाग गया. Very easy to tell, but actually it does not work in live market, because these indicators follow the price, right? I think this much you have understand. Okay, so let the things very simple. Keep the things very simple. Okay, RSI मैंने आपको बोल दिया. Okay, जितना मेरे को आइडिया है. RSI आपको मेरा कोई भी चार्ट पे कोई भी इंडिकेटर नहीं दिखेगा कभी भी. हेलो. लाइव सेशन बता सारी आपको कौन पूछा. ये हो गया. RSI का बोल दिया. इसका पहला the first setup we have discussed in our previous session. The second setup आज हमने डिस्कशन किया. The only reason is Tata Consumer was a fresh example. तो जब कोई fresh example we have in our hand, it is easier for me to elaborate and it is easier for you to catch. It is the only thing and nothing else. उसके बाद आता है, अब मैं यहाँ पर आता हूँ ऑप्शन स्कैल्पिंग टेक्निक पे. जल्दी से बोलता हूँ आपको मैं. 10:40 हो गया तो मैं आप लोग का टाइम ज्यादा लूंगा नहीं. इसको बोलते हैं मार्टिंगल. ओके, यू कैन चेक रेनको, RENKO प्लस मार्टिंगल. ओके, सो दिस इज अ सिंपल टेक्निक. जिनको पता है बेटर है, जिनको नहीं पता, फॉर दोस सिंपल, इसमें क्या होता है, एक रूल होता है, द सिंपल रूल इज लाइक 1 3 1 3 7 20 1 3 7 20 इन दैट वे यूजुअली। ओके, इसको कैसे किया जाता है? From last few days, if you have checked, I used to publish, I used to post some scalping screens, right, which is done by our professional scalpers, scalping traders. From last 2-3 days, I have stopped posting any scalping screen. The reason is I personally don't want to promote any kind of scalping thing in the group. What technique? Actually, they used to use various techniques. A simple one that for your paper trade only. Always trade scalping with proper guidance. Okay, if scalping was that much easy, then anyone can make profit from the market. What they used to do, I'm just telling you the whole concept in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's say Nifty future. Okay, remember the tool 1 3 7 20 martingale. You can just YouTube it, you can find it, you can Google it, you can find it. It is a very popular technique. Now what they used to do, the first and simple technique that you can understand is where you don't need any volume profiler and nothing like that. Okay, so in trading view usually you can use daily chart. Okay, for Renko you cannot use 5-minute or 15-minute chart or hourly chart in trading view, but in Zerodha, in Opstocks and in other brokers you can use Renko chart in lower time frames. I think that you already know. What they used to do, let's say they bet their first 1% of the fund. Let's say today I have, the scalpers usually used to have huge fund. Remember this. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई 10-50 हजार लाके बोलेगा कि मैं स्कैल्पर बन जाऊंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. ओके, इन स्टॉक मार्केट मनी मेक्स मनी. So 1 3 7 20. Few usually stop at 7. Few go to the fourth step, 20. What exactly it means? Let me tell you. Let's say I'm betting on this green one. Okay, stop loss and target should be 1:1 minimum. 1:1 minimum. So let's say I'm betting my funds 1%. 1% of the total fund on the first 15-minute candle. Scalping is a very lower time game. Okay, you cannot carry it through your emotion and all like that. No, it's not like that. If let's say I got a green candle here, right? The next bet is on green side. The next bet is on green side with 1% of my fund allocation. If my target is hit, then again I will continue with again 1% on bullish side, long side. Okay, the scalper will continue with green candle only, I mean the long side only, with 1% fund allocation on every trade till he made a loss. Right now, let's say he made a profit. Let's say, for example, let's say from here, let's say here, for example, he made a loss, right? Once he made a loss from long side, he was earlier in long side with 1% fund allocation, right? Now immediately he will increase the fund allocation to 3%. That is why I told you earlier 1 3 7 20. Next, the scalper will immediately, matlab like a robo, he have to exit immediately. Like whether the stop loss hit or not, that doesn't matter. A Renko, if he will find a red, he have to exit immediately. In fact, they also don't used to follow 15-minute chart. They used to follow 1 minute or 5-minute chart. Okay, every scalping trade is a 3-minute game, max to max 3-minute game. Next, if on long side the stop loss is hit and the red candle started, now what he will do? He will increase. He have taken the loss right at here. He will again play on red side and short side with 3% of fund allocation. Okay, now if he will win, he will continue again with 1% at short side. He will continue with 1% at short side, because the previous loss was recovered. The previous loss was recovered. So 1, 3, 7, 20. If first time he lose, he will bet with 3%. He will increase the fund allocation size and play at the opposite candle. 3. If both time he made consecutive losses, then he made it 7%. So if he will win third time, then these previous 2 losses will be covered, plus a profit he can generate. Simple logic. 1, 3, 7. If let's say 1, 2, 3, let's say in 20 also, if 4 times he lose, it indicates that day is not meant for the trader, and the trader have to leave his seat immediately. It's a strict rule, and from the next day he will again start from 1, like a fresh day, fresh trade, continuing with 1% of allocation in every scalping till he will get a stop loss. Once he will get a stop loss, increase the fund allocation by 3% and bet on the opposite side. This is a very simple technique. I think I was clear, but still you can rewind the video in your weekend, maybe Saturday, Sunday, go through Martingale. There are 2 things. I'm just giving you 2 terms for your learning purpose. One is Martingale and second one is reverse Martingale. You will find very useful points, very useful scenarios well illustrated in YouTube and other social media platforms. The only thing you may not find is to collaborate this methodology, this scalping technology in Renko. In Renko, you need to, let me also write this, because you hardly will find this mix. Renko with Martingale or reverse Martingale. Okay. Again, we will discuss about this methodology soon. Okay, maybe in this weekend or like that. But I believe you need some time to explore these 2 terms, Martingale and reverse Martingale. Usually crypto traders used to do it, so you can first gain some knowledge over these things, Martingale and reverse Martingale. Try to collaborate it, try to make it fit with Renko chart, and again we will discuss maybe after 5 to 7 days, so that we both will be in the same boat, our psychology will be in sync, so that your questions I would understand and my answer you could understand. But scalping is not a easy job. Let me clear you. All our scalping, this is a clean disclaimer. All the scalpers who are in my team are highly experienced, at least 6 to 7 years experienced, having a very huge load of fund. So that is their part. We call their room actually a oven. Okay. Even I'm afraid about the way they used to trade, because I'm kind of a positional trader. My risk is also very limited. You already know that 5 to 7 to 10,000 is like my risk. Max to max 20,000 I can bear. But their thing is highly like in a different way. But as a knowledge sharing thing, I'm very happy. I'm trying my best to share these methodologies with you. So try to do this task. Take your time. Try to explore it over YouTube and other social media platforms. It's very easy to find. The only thing you are not going to find is to fit it with Renko chart, that you need to do it with your own brain, with your own mind. And after a few days, we will again sit together and we will discuss over it so that you will be more clear. Okay. Last point is stocks to watch and segment to focus. Pharma started gaining strength from yesterday. So obviously, जो भाग रहा है उसको छोड़ो, जो नीचे से अगर कुछ मिलता है तो वहां से you should start your buying. Pharma, I would prefer for now. I'm preferring for now. Thin pipe, if you have observed, pipes, thin pipe, Prince pipe, pipe things. Currently, I believe even in the bearish market today, even the mid cap made a bearish market, the red candle. In fact, a bearish engulfing, the small cap also made a bearish candle. Still, if you will watch that stock that I have already told you in earlier session also, Clean Science, it gave a good breakout. Renko is now here. Okay, just let me go to the candle. You see. Actually, I have already informed everyone from free groups and premium groups that Clean Science is a multi-bagger. Okay, we have already included Clean Science as a multi-bagger from last 10 to 12 days, and Clean Science is a multi-bagger from now onwards. Okay, apart from that tin plate and that Wipro and Jubilant Ingravia, now Clean Science is a part of our multi-bagger list. Okay, this is important. In bad market, which stocks are performing? Clean Science is performing well. Nelco is performing well. Okay, apart from that, HAL, OL, I am highly bullish over on those counters also. Those are also multi-baggers. But considering this 2 to 3 days view, if I would say the pipes, housing ka to ho gaya, Canfino, oh yeah, Spencer's, Auto, V-Mart, Spencer's, those movements are also about to complete. Canfin Home kind of thing, TSB project, उनका भी movement अच्छा खासा हुआ है recently, the housing thing. तो अभी finance है, Crompton पे फिर से ध्यान देना चाहिए. Electricals again, they should show some strength. Pipes, pharma is obviously for me a good pick because the rally is still pending. Foods, consumers वो तो गिरे हुए हैं. I don't believe कि quarterly results से पहले अगर they have to, obviously they will also start rally, but it will take time. The reason is quarterly season is already over. So just before the quarterly season, or maybe before the end of October, we may see a good spike in these consumers thing. Okay, for now, these pipe things are looking good. Prince pipe, your thin pipe, and Clean Science. Okay, and another one that I provided in premium group, but I believe it is also a very good stock. Sri Puspak. Chemicals, chemicals was also Tata Chemical, you can see. Okay, Newgen is a very good stock. I believe you are already aware of this stock name. Newgen, Tata Chemical, okay, and Sudarshan Chemical, Sri Puspak Chemical, showing excellent strength, right? Here you see this pattern, right? This is our pattern number 1, isn't it? Is it not? That is what I want you to understand. Even I'm trying to find this thing so that I could make you. This is the uptrend, right? This is it. Forget about cup and handle. Just focus on this descending channel. The handle is everything. The handle is everything actually. Okay, this is the descending channel, right? Many will say no, this is a kind of this is a kind of head and shoulder, but no, it is not head and shoulder. Even if the market will fall, for example, then also a person with limited knowledge, even if have a limited but good knowledge, he would not say this as head and shoulder. No, it's not a head and shoulder. This is a descending channel, right? Uptrend, descending channel. Head should be big, but here head is lower than the left arm. Head is lower, right arm lower, at the same level, creating a descending channel. Now, if it have to fall na, it will fall like anything. It will fall like anything. मैंने पहले आपको क्या बोला? जब market have to go upside, he would face resistance, then pull back, then go upside, then resist, then again face resistance, then a pull back, then go, then move upside. But when market have to fall, it break the support very easily. जिन्होंने भी bearish market देखा है, they already know once market gets started bearish, supports could be broken very easily in comparison to resistance. This thing is a technically very important point for you to understand. But if it will fall like this, धीरे धीरे fall होगा, फिर थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाएगा, फिर धीरे धीरे fall होगा, मतलब and this candle. Now remove all these things from this descending channel and focus in this one. ये तो red बना, अगर green बनता then it would be a morning star, right? So descending channel से अगर कोई भी एक master rejection मिल जाता है, this is your descending channel, and here is your master rejection. Obviously, I could not resist. I provided this call in premium group, and Sri Pushpak already hit our second target, and now it towards our third target. But still, I believe Sri Pushkar will. Okay, the nearest round number is 300, right? Again, that round number thing, round number point is 300. Maybe after 300, that thing is different. So two important. So what we discussed today is basic market view. Let me compile everything. The first point was market view. Okay. For now, don't get bullish, don't get bearish. Data have, I mean, in Indian market, I don't think now, considering the current situation, there is nothing to be afraid of. As an investor, you should look forward for buying on dips. Second is your option scalping technique. We have discussed about martingale and reverse martingale, and it is a bit complicated. I don't know whether I tried my best from my side to make you understand whatever I know, but still it's your part now to explore it a bit so that next time we can discuss more over it. Okay. Third point is, and also if you will cover this now, I will also teach you another technique on scalping. Stocks to watch and segments, I've already told. Also the defense stocks. A defense stock also should start a very good rally. Swing strategy, the first one I have already told in our previous discussion. The second one we discussed today. That is called also master pattern 1. Like stopping making lower highs and lower lows, and immediately either with a rejection, master rejection, else with a double bottom, else with a triple bottom. But whatever it is, it will stop making lower lows immediately. You will get a good bounce. Dark side of RSI. Many traders used to follow RSI blindly. Don't try to do it. In YouTube also, I don't know why they usually promote RSI too much, but RSI have no part except those 2 points. One is RSI to find negative divergence. It works up to 60, 70, 80%, I don't know. And the second is to find the strength of a trend. It works 80 to 90%. But assuming this, the RSI is now above 90%, so it is overbought, or it's not like that. It is not going to work in that way. No. और कोई बोलेगा कि अगर और ऊपर जाता है तो क्या RSI के ये 100 के ऊपर भी जाएगा? See, RSI is the program. It is programmed in such a manner, because I'm a programmer, so I know that RSI is a program and it is meant, it is developed in such a way, it is not going to crush a specific level. चाहे वो जितना, अब यहाँ से अगर नेल को और 200% भी भागता है ना, RSI is not going to crush that limited area. They have their limits. वहां पर थोड़ा सा आप दिमाग लगाइए। इंडिकेटर को 100% बिलीव थोड़ा सा अवॉइड कीजिए। प्राइस एक्शन पैटर्न्स पे ध्यान दीजिए। वंस अगर आप इसको अगर प्रॉपर्ली करते हो, देन आई विल डेफिनेटली, इट्स माय प्रॉमिस फ्रॉम माय साइड, डाटा को रीड करना मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा, कैसे हम लोग डाटा को रीड करते हैं। और जब वो जो होता है ना ब्रेकआउट्स हो गए, नेल को कैसे मिला हमको, उन चीजों के ऊपर भी वी कुड डिस्कस हाउ वी फाइंड नेल को एंड दोस थिंग्स। ठीक है, सो आई थिंक इट वाज टू लेट फॉर यू, 11 PM, okay, so thank you very much for joining, and we will discuss, we will again catch up, I think, on Saturday or Sunday, okay, and then we will again with new topics and with new doubts and with some more knowledge sharing things, we will catch up, okay. Thank you very much.
ओके, थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू देवासी जी,
Thank you. Good night.
गुड नाइट जी।
Thank you, sir.
Next class was
Good night.
nice.